Hello, a very good morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Shrutika. I welcome you all back to our new YouTube video today. So, in today's YouTube video, we are going to understand the life history and contribution of Dr. Jahar George Heinrich Gurlitt. So, Dr. Jahar's life history and their contributions we will understand in this video. And if you will go through the previous videos that I have uploaded, you will understand that we are into a series of understanding life history and contributions of different stalwarts in homeopathy. So taking up the series ahead, now we are understanding of life history and contributions of Dr. Jahar. So to make this video very easy for you all to understand and learn, so we'll understand birth date, place, death anniversary, what is the introduction, education, and different contributions likewise. So let's get started. So what is the birth date of Jahar? 30th January 1880. What is the birthplace? It is small town in Saxony. What is the death anniversary? 11th July 1875. What is the introduction of Jahar? So Jahar was a prolific writer and a staunch advocate of homeopathy who was held great esteem by the European homeopathic community. So he was a prolific writer and a staunch advocate who is esteemed by the European homeopathic community. तो what is the education? जाहर का एजुकेशन क्या है वो हम समझेंगे. He studied from the Moravian College and due to the excellent academics, he was offered a professorship in the college which he accepted in 1825. He Moravian College से he did his education. Because of his excellent academics, उसी college में he got a professorship. Hahnemann judged that Jahar's utility would be much increased if he had medical education. So he sent him to University of Bonn where Jahar completed his medical studies and took his degree. So always keep in mind कोई भी आप एग्ज़ाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो फॉर मे बी AIA PGT स्टेट PSC कोई भी एग्ज़ाम रहेगी दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड कि who sent Jahar for medical studies. So it was Dr. Hahnemann who sent Jahar for his medical education. Keep in mind. Going up ahead, contributions. His first work was the manual of the chief indications for the use of all known homeopathic remedies in their general and specific effect according to the clinical experience with a systematic and alphabetical repertory. बहुत बड़ा नाम है, I understand, but ये उसके फर्स्ट वर्क का काम है. Then his next chief work was the symptom codex and its abridgments which have been translated into every European language. Then treatise on cholera, on cutaneous maladies, on venereal affections, on diseases of digestion, his own pharmacopoeia, 40 years of practice. Dr. Jahar assisted Hahnemann in compiling all the work on chronic disease. Very important MCQ question. Who assisted Dr. Hahnemann? So it was Dr. Jahar who assisted Hahnemann on his work on chronic diseases. So आज की वीडियो से हमें याद क्या रखना है? About the birth date, place, death, what is the introduction? क्यों जाहर को prolific writer बोला गया है? Because of his tremendous contribution to the field of homeopathy, his education, his contributions. So if you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you want to understand or learn the contributions of different stalwarts, for example Kent, Boger, Boning Hassan, likewise, so you can go and check the playlist life history and contributions and likewise see that video. So do subscribe and keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you and have a nice day.